Hey yogis, welcome to my channel. My name is Kassandra and today I'm doing an unboxing and review of the brand new FabFitFun summer box. So if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, I have partnered with them many times before. I have a ton of unboxing videos here on my channel. Basically, they produce quarterly subscription boxes that give you full-size products, fashion, wellness, beauty, lifestyle, a whole lot of different things. I always enjoy the boxes that they send me, lots of different kinds of goodies, and it's always very varied. So right now, if you use the coupon code YOGA to buy your first box, you are going to get $10 off. When you sign up, you can get 4 boxes a year. Each box costs $49.99, but you get over $200 worth of stuff inside. I've always gotten well above and beyond $200 worth of stuff, so you really do get great value for your money. And now you can actually customize certain items in the boxes. So I'm going to show you what I specifically got, but if you watch other unboxing videos on YouTube, you might notice that some of the items are different, which is totally normal. Once you subscribe, you can kind of mix and match certain things and change it up. They do deliver now into the UK. This is new. I know a lot of UK people were bummed out that they couldn't get it, but you can get your hands on it now. So I have already opened this box. Most of the products I've used, some of them I haven't gotten a chance to try it yet, but I'm just going to show you what I got and we can go from there. Okay, so when you open it up, it's always the same every time. You always get like a magazine and some coupons at the top. So I'm just going to put the coupons off to the side. And then the magazine is something that I'll keep with me just because it has the retail prices of all the things that were included in the box. And what's fun is that it also shows you the other items that were available. So just nice to know kind of what other people got in their box. Okay, the first item I'm going to show you is this Sutra Beauty Blow Dryer. So this is a travel size blow dryer. The retail price is $60. And it's unfortunate because I just went to Italy for a couple weeks and I had to buy a new or like a travel size blow dryer. And basically 2 days after I left, this arrived at my doorstep. So now I have 2 travel size hair dryers, but you know what? That's okay. I usually end up like frying mine or something if I don't have like a proper converter, but there you have it. So it's just a little like marble design blow dryer, which is really pretty. It's definitely a lot nicer than the one that I have. So $60, and this is from Sutra Beauty. So let's stay in the hair section because I did get a few hair products. This is Living Proof. It's a frizz or nourishing style cream, basically just to tame your frizz. So when you get out of the shower while your hair is still damp, you can just use a little bit and run this through your hair. So this is one of the products that I unfortunately have not had the opportunity to try, but it smells really nice, so I'm definitely going to give it a try later on. And the retail value for this is $28. So again, the company is from Living Proof and it is a style cream. So the next item is also for my hair, and I just realized that I actually still have this on my wrist because this is one of the products that I've actually been using every day since I got the box. So these are just hair ties. The company is Invisibobble, and all it is, it's a hair tie, but instead of being like, you know, the regular hair ties that we're all familiar with, it's little springs, like a little twisted wire kind of thing. And when I first saw that, I thought that it would get my hair tangled or that my hair would kind of get stuck in it, but it really doesn't. So the whole alternative or the whole reason that these things exist is that it's supposed to not leave a crease in your hair. And honestly, it works really well. So this is kind of just what I've been using every single day. So you got 3 clear ones and 3 nude ones. Nude doesn't really work for me just because I have dark hair. So doesn't really make any sense for me to use those. So all I've been using is the clear ones. And I mean, it's not like I would wear that if I was going out and wanted my hair to look nice, but for just around the house, it does work really well. And the retail value for this is $60. Okay, next up is a body care item. I only got 1 body product this month. The rest was like hair or face, which I'll show you later. But this one is an exfoliating foot mask. And I'll be honest, I've never used a foot mask before. So I was like, what is this? One thing that I can say about this, I've never had a product that smells better than this one. I wish it was like a face cream or a body cream because I would like slather it everywhere, but this is really only for your feet. Basically, you apply it before going to bed at night, and then in the morning you would wash it off. I mean, I guess you can do it during the day, but the point is you want to keep it on for like 8 to 12 hours. And it has a little bit of like a polish in it, so it's going to exfoliate the dead skin off of you. And then the feel is, I don't know, it's kind of like it's very gel-like, like almost like a hair gel that you would put on, but you just apply that all over your feet. I usually like to put socks over it because otherwise I just find it, I don't know, a little gross, but it works really well. And honestly, like the smell is just heavenly. It's almost like, I don't know, maybe it's coconut. It doesn't say coconut, but that's what I smell. And the retail value from this is from Wish, is $32. Okay, let's go to face products. I have used this product once so far. I plan on using it again because I did like it. This is Generation Clay, and it's a brightening purple clay mask. So it is purple in color. Basically, you want to apply this and leave it on until it dries. And you'll notice like the color changes a little bit as you apply it, and it really firms up. If it's like any other clay mask, like if you've used clay mask before, you know that, you know, it goes on wet, but then it like firms up and really gets your skin super tight. So I think I left it on for about 10 minutes and then you just wash it off. And it's meant to be a very brightening for your complexion type of mask, which is really nice for the summer. The retail value is $39, and this is really good if you have dull skin or dehydrated skin. So again, really good for the summer. I've only used it once, but I'm definitely going to continue to use it. I find like with masks, you need to use it a couple times before you can really know how good the product is. It's my first time trying something from this company, Generation Clay. I'm not super familiar with them. And it says that it is with Davidson Plum. Okay, next up, another face product. I have used this quite a few times. I just kind of put it back into the packaging, but I've been using this about twice a week. This is from Intelligent Nutrients, and it's a refining micro polish. So I sometimes have to be careful with polishes because I do have very sensitive skin, but this one has been awesome. It's a very, very, it's like coarse maybe kind of polish. So sometimes polishes have like very, very fine crystals. This is not it. This is like a very rich, very creamy formula, and then with like bigger, thicker crystals inside, which I find my skin just reacts a lot better to. The retail value for this one is $57. So this is definitely one of the higher end skincare products. This is really one of the reasons that I love FabFitFun so much. They always have some really high value skincare products, and I might not pay a lot for makeup, try to look for some good deals and stick to drugstore. But when it comes to skincare, I do like to go with higher brands and pay a little bit more just because, I don't know, it's your skin, you want to find stuff that really works. So this one, $57 from Intelligent Nutrients. Okay, the last skincare item is a skincare item I use every single day, not from this brand, but I've owned probably 6 or 7 bottles of this in some form or another. It's a rose spray. So just rose water. If you've never used rose water, I highly, highly recommend it. You can even make your own. But this one is from Grace and Stella, and it's all it is. It's rose water. So rose water, I tend to apply it first thing in the morning when I just get up. So you just give a couple mists, keeping your mouth closed and your eyes closed, of course. And you can either put it under your makeup or over your makeup. So usually what I do is first thing in the morning when I wake up, I spray a couple mists on my face, and it's really good to tighten your pores. And then throughout the day after I have applied my makeup, if I feel like my makeup is either, like if my skin is getting dry, or if the makeup is like settling into fine lines, or if it's caking or anything like that, like if you just need like a little refresher, rose spray is perfect. Just rose water, a couple spritz is all you need, and it's as if you just redid your makeup. So I'm a firm believer in rose water. I use it all the time. Again, it's my first time getting it from this company, but at the end of the day, like I can't say that I've ever really noticed a difference from one rose water to another. They're all kind of the same. One thing that I found strange is that there are a lot of ingredients listed for this rose water, which I'm not super sure why. So I guess maybe they've like added other ingredients to it to make it more potent, but normally it's just rose and water. So the retail price for this is $25.95 from the company Grace and Stella, and it's paraben-free, cruelty-free, vegan, which makes sense because again, it's just rose water, so there really shouldn't be that much in it. All right, we have 2 items left in the box. This is jewelry, and I've been like dying to wear this, but I wanted to keep it in its original packaging so that I could like show you guys as I was doing this video and this review. This is from Jennifer Zuner Jewelry, and I mean, you guys know, like I have a website called Lunar Yoga. Like I love the moon, I love stars, all that kind of stuff. So this is just a beautiful, beautiful little gold chain with teeny tiny little delicate stars on it. It's so lovely, so delicate. I love dainty jewelry. I'm not much of like a big jewelry kind of girl, so I really like small little detailing. And the retail value for this is $50. So it's like a nice high quality necklace. And there you go, pretty little necklace. What do you think? Okay, we have one item only left, and I kind of saved the best for last. This is unlike any other product from FabFitFun that I've ever received. It's totally unique. So the company is XO Sienna, and this is a felt message board. So it's just a black background, and then they give you a bunch of little like plastic letters and plastic symbols so that you can, you know, customize and write your own messaging on it. Put your little emojis or whatever you would like, and then you can just put it, I don't know, pretty much decorate your space with it. The retail value for this one, let me just find it, it is $35. So you get 189 letters, emojis, and symbols in it. So you can spell out whatever your heart desires. So not quite sure, I'll probably put it on my desk or something, or maybe I'll put it in my yoga room, that would look nice. But yeah, this is definitely my favorite item that I've received in this summer FabFitFun box. All right, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to get your own FabFitFun box, you can use the coupon code YOGA at checkout to get $10 off. Remember, it's $49.99 per box, and the box come out on a seasonal basis, so for a year. With $10 off, it'll be $39.99, and then all of the items that you get in there are worth well above and beyond $200 retail values. I'm really happy with the stuff that I've gotten. It's really nice to be able to get full-size products versus like samples that you sometimes get with like monthly boxes. So this one is just, I don't know, higher value in my opinion, and I'm really happy with it. Really like my little necklace, I like the foot scrub, and I really like the micro polish and also the felt board. So I don't know, really happy with it. And again, like I mentioned, you can customize these boxes. So if you go and look at other YouTube reviews, you might notice that they got completely different things than what I have. Usually we'll have a few items that everyone gets regardless of what you customize, and then the others maybe will vary a little bit. So thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you don't already, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks guys.